So we're going to use Adobe Spark to start adding in our photos. You guys are actually going to create a Spark page. So you can click on a sparkadobe.com, and this will be using your Adobe account. So you're going to want to log in. And you want to log in with your Adobe ID. And I know we started those websites, but the website isn't letting me do what I want to do. So that's why we're going to come in here. And what I want to do is create a web page. And this web page is going to be of your projects. So I'm going to add a title here. And we're going to type in photography 2020 and add a subtitle. You can do this either way. And there we go. And if you want to add a photo in here, just click this plus. Upload a photo right from your desktop. So if your pictures are all in Google Drive, you will need to download them. And look at them by pressing the space bar. Use that one. You can kind of play with some of this stuff as needed. So now we're going to scroll down, and I'm going to put in a text, and I'm going to type in beginning photos. And I want to edit this text because I want it to be kind of big, and I'm also going to center it. So once I have that done, I just want to add in day 1 here. So we're going to come back and we're going to click on the plus. We're going to try out photo grids, upload your photos, scroll until you find your photos, and click open. And so then there are your photos for this assignment. I'm going to click save, and there are my beginning photos day 1. I'm going to click text again and type in beginning photos day 2. And again, I want to make this a header. Then I'm going to center it to make it look nice. And then I'm going to click the next plus, and I'm going to add in a photo grid, doing my next 5 from my other assignment. And there are my 5 photos. I'm going to click save. And so now if I'm looking at my page, I got beginning photos day 1, beginning photos day 2. And I'm going to come up to share and publish and share link. And my title is photography. So I'm going to add in St. Clair photography 2020. I don't need to worry about anything else, and I'm going to get create link. And from here, I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste that as a link into Google Classroom so I can look at everybody's website. Now, let's say we need to make changes. So what I would like you to do is to then copy and paste your goals. So right here, I'm going to have you put in a text, type in goals, and again, make that a header, make it centered. And then go and copy and paste your goals right in here. I want to learn how to make better and there we go. So now I have made some changes to this. I'm going to come back up to share, publish and share link, and notice, it says we noticed you made some changes to your project. I'm going to click update link. So it is updating it. If I do not click this, I will not see any of the changes that have been made. And I'm going to click copy again, and then this is what I'm going to add in. So each time you need to update it after your first initial creation of your website. And by the time we're done, then you will have all these different photos that you can add into your website.